Koffee's Rapture EP is among the entries for the 2020 Reggae Grammy Award, which will be held on January 26, 2020. So yes, people, now hear it. Koffee EP Rapture is considered for a Grammy nomination. So it's not nominated yet. There's a lot of albums there. It's gonna siver down and then I go pick a number. I'm gonna read that and telling us to. You see me? And let's hope that Koffee EP make it up there. So would I like to see that. You see what I say? Even if she not win, which would I love for she win too, but you know there's other people in there too, where other Jamaicans as well too, where would that be good for the music overall. So let's read into the article and see what it says. More than 120 entries have been submitted for the 2020 Reggae Grammy Award. Only 5 will eventually be selected, from which a winner will be determined. So there is the number when they are telling about. It's only 5 people will be selected, or 5 projects. Let's call them projects, right? And among those projects, let's read that part now. Amongst the standout entries are Damian Marley produced Third World album, More Work to Be Done, Christopher Martins, and then Jackie Royal Soldier, and Beres Hammond Never Ending album. Minister Marian Hall album was sent to the gospel category. So, big up to Minister Marian Hall, formerly known as Lady Saw. See, she in a different category, so she a go for the gospel category, which is good. So Jamaican a go for the gospel category too. That's nice. You see what I say? But people among these albums, you see me I say, which everybody else have an album, Koffee have an EP. So that's even good. And we know say Koffee have a couple songs on the EP, the Rapture itself. Koffee come in like a Rapture, if you don't know what song me attack. And Toast dep on it too. Toast, you see me I say, and a couple other things. So it would be good if Koffee get a Grammy. She just coming out of the business like what? A little bit over here, less than 2 years now, right? But you know, the work and the recognition where she get. The song them bad people, me not lie. I don't like a bias talk. I to everybody else a Koffee. He song them where Koffee have where any place bad. Toast bad and a good song them too. You know this. So it would be good. She deserve it if she get it. Even though, you know what I mean, like Junior Gang in it already. Him have Grammy already. And Christopher Martin too. Me not hear film album, but you don't know. Jackie or me hear a couple tune off a film thing and thing. And Beres Hammond, you don't know him a legend, I think. So either way, like me I say, if anybody out of the name here, I don't know the world 120, you see what me I say, but you know them are gonna be some overseas reggae act and them thing there, like people when we're not from Jamaica. Probably I gonna have like people from Canada and other places where I do reggae music as well. You see what I say? And they might be in there. So they might get selected up there so too. But like me I say, you know say Jamaica is the birthplace of reggae music. So it's only right if the Jamaican name can outdo everybody, because that would have looked like the culture dead off. You see what I say? If outsiders are so boom and I get more nomination than we. And then again, people, if it go by like sales and them thing, then they have more resources than we and they can do it better than we, even though we create the music. So that might come into play still. But we are going to keep on posted on the story. And you see what I say? Tell me if you think Koffee deserves to win a Grammy for EP. You know what I mean? And we're going to like say our sophomore year. You know what I mean? You know, this is our sophomore year. Let's say that. Because, you know, she been around long. But it's an EP, people, and it's good enough to be considered to be nominated for a Grammy. That's a great deal. So big up to Koffee and big up to everybody that's listening. If you did not like and follow this page, please like and follow this page for daily updates. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel if it's your first time. Thank you.